Hello my gems, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Asia Mullins and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my Carnage slash Venom look and the materials and products that I used to create this look. Now, I'm sorry, I had to do a voiceover because my mic, I bought a new mic and me being lazy, I didn't read the manual properly. I just wanted to test it out and everything, but look, it didn't work, so I'm gonna play with it some more. But anywho, I'm right now in this clip. I'm telling you guys like where I got the stuff from, the ideas that I was having, and to be honest, like before I saw the movie, because I just saw it Friday when it just came out, I was working on this. I was working on this project and I was thinking, hey, like Venom and Carnage is coming out, like let there be Carnage. What if Carnage tries to eat Venom so that he could gain more of Venom's power? And I was like, what if we like make Venom like morph like Carnage, like try to take over Venom? So that was the whole idea behind this mask, and I have to say like I really love it and like how it turned out. But I'm going to show you like the steps and everything that I used to get this project going. So the stuff that I use is like for the mask I use latex glue and I use flour. And let me tell you, latex glue, it stinks, but I love the outcome of it. It didn't bother me after a while. But anyway, for the eyes and the teeth, I just used polymorph. It's like a moldable plastic. Now, me being the special person that I am, on the other side of the eye, like this side that you see right here is Venom's eye. And right here I'm telling you guys, like I made this mask and I couldn't even see out of it. So what I'm thinking about doing now, like now that everything is done, is I was gonna get some mesh and just like put it like in a section of the eye, like not take the whole eye out, but I'll let you guys know later. So basically what I'm doing now is I'm about to start painting Carnage's side. And to be honest, like I thought that using water would like make it more like spread easier, but you really don't need water for this paint. And I will link everything down below on where I got everything. Like only places I really got this stuff from is Amazon for the polymorph, like the moldable plastic, and the latex glue I had since last year, Halloween. The look, like I got it to use to make Freddy Kreuger's face, and I will link that in the description box, and I'll put a card up ahead, like on the top part. Yeah, so I really like the way that was coming out. Like I don't know why, I really need to stop overthinking stuff. And that's the thing, like you have to get out of your own way because you are your biggest critic. You are going to hold yourself back. Like don't do that to yourself. I'm telling you now, don't do that to yourself. It is dangerous. It is not healthy. Like I really need to stop holding myself back because I'm telling you, this mask looks flawless. Only problem that I had is that I couldn't see, and I learned my lesson. Next time I make a mask, I'll be able to see. So basically, I was just using some like the brushes that I use for my makeup. Like I use my Jumping Star brush, I use the Elf brush, I use a Morphe brush, and I really thought that I needed painting brushes, but I really didn't. I was fine with my makeup brushes. I cleaned them, of course, like right after I got done painting them and everything, but everything worked out. So this project is very easy, and you could do it like I'll say like 3 days, 2 to 3 days. You could do it. See? So for this part, I just took some Jello and because it's gelatin, but really you just need gelatin and like gelatin powder, some water, and glycerin. But me being the person that I am, I was like, okay, I could just use Jello, like put it in the freezer, heat it up again, get it all like, like it looked like a blood clot. To be honest, it looked like a blood clot. So what you're gonna see me do is I'm using a toothpick and I'm going through the Jello and I'm trying to pick up the little quote unquote blood clots and just like stretch it out to like put it on Venom's side so that he could like fight Carnage from taking over his side. And then you also notice like the mask is not really all that shiny just yet. I realized like I needed to go get some glycerin and I'm gonna go get that. And I actually got that from Michael's. My Michael's, I found the glycerin in aisle 87. And I love that the app actually tells you where to find the stuff at because that actually helped me out a lot. Yeah, so as you can see, like the Jello, it could work, but you have to like keep playing with it. You gotta keep heating it up. You gotta freeze it. You gotta heat it up. You gotta freeze it. So my advice is just use the powder, and then also like get the water, get the glycerin, and because the glycerin makes the gelatin more shinier. Because if you look at Venom and Carnage, you notice that they they're shiny, and that's my little sister. She's showing me. I forgot what she was showing me. It was only probably a TikTok, most likely a TikTok. Alright, you guys. So I'm just basically painting the gums. So Venom gets red gums and Carnage gets black gums. So basically, like I mentioned earlier, I saw the movie after I was doing this mask, and I realized like it seems like Venom is trying to come out of Carnage in a way. So, eh, they're like total opposites in my opinion, but. Alright, so this is me just cheesing because I'm loving what I'm seeing. But now I'm just like, okay, time for the teeth. And for the teeth, we gotta make it look like candy corns at first. That's what I thought, but I was wrong. So I'm just like putting yellow like right above the gums. if that makes sense. I'm putting yellow paint like right above the gums, and then after that I was gonna like add like red to it, but you'll see. Like later on, I just decided to. You'll see. I'm gonna wait. Okay, so this is just me looking at the reference because I wanted to make sure that the teeth actually looks like decent enough. So what I did was I mixed yellow and brown paint, and I actually put it on my fingers. I don't know why I had the top of the paint thing right next to me. I could have just mixed them in there, but for some odd reason it's better for me to just rub them together and just like put it on my paintbrush and just like stroke the paint on. And this is me just going to the other side and doing it on the side, and I wanted you guys to actually see what I was doing. So yeah, here go baby sister, always bothering me. Never fails. She always wants to feel included, and I understand why. She's the baby sister. They always, most of them always want to feel. Well, mine always wants to feel included. I'm not gonna talk about anybody else's baby sister or baby brother. And that's just me taking pictures and sending it to my cousin, cause he likes this kind of stuff. Thanks to him, and I call him Blade. One day you guys will see him in a future vlog. So I finally went to Michael's and got the glycerin. Good job, Asia. You finally broke down and got the glycerin. Good job. So I'm putting it in here. And then I'm just going to put this on with the spoon. But eventually I'll put it on with the brush. And it works so much better with the brush. And I use a Jeffree Star brush. I love that brush. That brush is amazing for blending and apparently applying gelatin, water, and glycerin onto a mess. So thank you, Mr. Star, for your wonderful brush. And without further ado, guys, I'm not going to show you guys like what I did on the other side, because what I do to one side, you got to do to the other side. Basic math. Alright guys, so last part is just putting this on, and because I forgot to put holes into it so I can see what I'm doing, my boyfriend's going to help me out if he stops freaking out. He's freaking out over the littlest things.